Hello. Today we will see day 22 update. Please take a moment to read the disclaimers and most commonly make mistakes. And this is the initial setup we started with. Our series name is Spiny Mouse, and we have some set of initial things we predefined setup, and we have some rules as well to follow throughout the series. And this need to be followed as much as possible. As of now, we may measure in few days, but we need to be strict. And in the upcoming days, we will be more strict towards these rules. And this is a 1 lakh rupee capital series, and additional buffer amount will be 50,000 rupees, and risk reward ratio will be 0.3. This is nothing but maximum loss divided by maximum profit. So it is a very lesser 0.3, but probability of getting maximum profit also it's very less. Maximum loss allowed is currently minus 12,261.8. So tomorrow we will get to know what will happen. And these are the booked profit and booked realized profit or loss. That's profit 65,658.2, and unrealized profit or loss, that's a loss minus 66,416.24. And these are the rules which we are following. Low risk taker, low capital, two strategy allowed at once, 30% capital is lost, then this series is considered as the end. Adjustment allowed once per day and not reacting to every option move. And on day 0 we started with this is the setup we have started with like if it's closed between 2400 and 25,000, then we will be getting plus 15,000 or minus 15,000 if it is away from that range. But what we have done first one around 10 days we haven't moved much adjustment. Then later once it started going down, then we started booking profit and making adjustment whenever possible. So you can see the green color which we booked profit uh, when days keep on going up. And we have booked a few closed a few loss position as well. And this is day 16, and we are keep going. You can see at day 17. So what will be the status is like 0.5. If it is at least 1.5 to 2% up means it will be 19,000 and 16,446. At the time the it's around 23,350. It's like at the bottom, and we will be waiting when it will turn around, but it turn around so aggressively. So because of that again we made some mistakes. Here also you can see if minimum 3%, maximum 3%, if it goes 22,007, at least 2.5% or above 22,007. But what happened that time also 23,350 it will be there on day 18. But on the next days and all we made a few adjustment, and it started making loss, and we went into the loss zone. And you can see today's update. And today we haven't made any change in the yesterday's position, that is this 4. And this is a I bought it on next December series just for backup 50 units, because we on upper end CE we haven't, P we didn't sell much 100 units, we sold only 25, because if it come back then we will get some profit. So because of that, on the upper end we didn't put any restriction, just we take that thing into the next series, so that is December 24. And one more thing we have done, we have did some today um, scalping 24 150 CE. So we bought around 100, and at one uh, at around 11,000 rupees 114.75. Then from that it went up to 178.28. At the time we booked, but actually it went up to 230. So because of that we got around 6,350. So it won't make anything big profit, just it will minimize the loss. So yesterday if you see, the maximum loss will be minus 18,611. So today that will be changed to minus 12,261.8. So from this point where it will go, it depends upon that. Tomorrow we will come to know where it close. And this is the one we saw on the up. Totally booked profit, realized profit is 65,638, and realized will be minus 16. The majority will be bigger losses because of this only. 23,800 CE. So when it is around 350, 23,350 last week, so we created this position, but in matter of 2-3 days it went up 1,000. So because of this we get into this trouble. And this is the current status. 0% movements to 48 minus. If it is go down, then we will be good profit. Minus 2% means 39. It means around like 500 points down, so it won't happen in single day. And this is a payoff chart. So if it goes down, then we will get profit. And today it closed like this. So it's still there will be one gap is there, so gap up. So I don't know when it will come down and fill that gap, maybe tomorrow or on Friday. If tomorrow means we will make some good profit, but Friday means it's not useful. So that's about today thing. And gold 0.89 it went up, and now it's around 6396. So overall loss will be minus 40 to 40. Yesterday it's around 300 and something. So it's just moving 1% up, 1% down daily. It's minus 384. Now it's went down because the quantity will be lesser, so it's not making any big difference. But going forward we will add more and more. So that's about today. We will see tomorrow.